All right, here we are, last day on this one. This is Wednesday. I forget what date it is. Somewhere in March, after the last video. Anyway, this is it. It's around 1 o'clock. We're soaked because we're working in drizzle all day and it's bending down, and the rain's just soaking everything. Well, I've just got to finish that dome off. I haven't done that one. Okay, come back for that in a second. All right, all our domes, there's the ones we did the other day, and then of course we've done all those others all the way around and under the stairs as well. So we're just getting all those done, all finished, all cleaned up. Just go back and do that one dome there that I forgot. That's okay, they're all looking good. The camera's just a bit hazy from the dampness, so sorry about that. But yeah, all domed up, all good. Alrighty, that's where we're at. This job's finished. All the braces are painted, all cleaned up, taken all the scale off, any scale that was on it, and all the rust, and all painted with the enamel, single pack epoxy enamel. So yeah, all looking good. Alrighty, and that solves the problem of the dogs peeing on the posts. That won't happen again. The 2-pack epoxy that we've got on the post won't let that happen again, luckily. But yeah, watch out. If you've got dogs, you are causing lots of havoc to the steel post underneath your house. Alrighty, we'll leave it at that. Thanks guys for coming along, and we'll see you again soon on the next raise we're doing, which your brother's going to be lifting hopefully on Monday. It's a few days away. And we're just waiting on the power company to disconnect the power so we can then raise the house and slide it forward. Alrighty, and of course it doesn't get done unless that happens, otherwise a nice big fine. We don't want that, we don't like fines. It's not that we can't do the job, it's just that we don't like the fine. Okay, talk again soon. Thanks. Oh, don't forget that subscribe button, we very much appreciate it. Just tap that for us to help the videos get out. Much appreciated. Catch you again soon. See you then. Love yous. Bye.